To make this simple artist folding book, the artist Marja van Kampen goes to the local park to collect some items of flora to use as motifs and inspiration. Back at the studio with her bounty, she arranges the items on the blank paper and thinks about how she is going to use them for her painting. From there, it's a matter of choosing how each item will fit into the painting. As each item is chosen and outlined, we begin to see the painting coming to life. The painting can of course be in any medium, and in this instance Marja chooses pastels and watercolour, painting the background in a wash and the motifs in more detail and colour. And here we see the finished painting, which in itself could be framed and hung on its own merit as an artwork. But there is more to go to make the folding book. Starting on an A3 size, when finished, the page will fold down to an A5 booklet. Folding and cutting accurately to make the book is important. The folds need to be precise, and a small but vital cut is a critical component which is necessary to create the correct folds for the pages. And here we see the finished work, page by page. Each page portraying an interesting portion of the original painting, becoming a miniature artwork in itself.